you fall under the category of persons who have been using the face cream for a long period of time and you're not seeing any difference, this is something that might just help you if you follow them religiously. Okay, so I'm going to be telling you what to actually do if your face cream is not working effectively. Use 6 amazing things you need to do, like simple techniques you need to do in order for your face cream to be very, very, very effective.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How is everyone doing? This is Sunita here. If this is your first time, hi. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to this one. So yes, in today's video I'm going to be telling you guys what to actually do in order for your face creams to be very effective. If you're using a lightening or a brightening or a whitening face cream, like, it doesn't matter the type you're using, or it doesn't matter your skin color or your skin concern. What matters is these things. If you're not doing them, you're doing it wrong. Like, if you're not doing these things, maybe this probably could be the reason why your face cream is actually not working. So you need to start doing these things in order for you to see an effective result. No one wants to go buying products that will not give them value for their money. So like I said, if this is your first time, my name is Sunita. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber, obviously based in Nigeria. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video if you find it really helpful. Without further ado, let's dive straight into the video. And first things first, when it comes to pick any skincare product, regardless of what you're intending to use it for, try as much as you can to know your skin type as well as your skin concerns. What are your skin concerns? Do you have pigmentation? Are you targeting to clear dark spots, wrinkles or fine lines? It may be dark under eye circle or sunburn. There are products tailored for all of these skin problems I have just listed. What is your own skin issue? Afterwards, know your skin type, then go on ahead to pick product targeted for that purpose. Now, if you have hyperpigmentation, discoloration, dark spot, you want to do well to go for face cream that has niacinamide or face cream that targets this particular skin concerns. Because knowing your skin types, I'll always say, would give you a clear guide to know what product to go for. You won't just randomly go picking products because you see people talking about products. There are so many products out there that are very good that might not be good on you. That is because your skin type has a huge role to play. Now, if you think you already know your skin type, the second thing you need to do is exfoliation. Exfoliating your face twice or once weekly would help unclog your pores, thereby removing dead skin cells, prepping your skin for whatever face cream it is you have chosen to use work effectively. So you cannot have a facial routine that does not include you exfoliating your face. Now, there are physical exfoliants and there are chemical exfoliants. For your face cream to work effectively, you can go for chemical exfoliants. You don't have the money to go for bigger exfoliants. There are soaps that can actually exfoliate your face. Yes, you don't need to, go for like all those glycolic acid or those expensive chemical exfoliants. There are soaps that can actually exfoliate your face really, really well. There are also very, very mild physical exfoliants that can also exfoliate your face really well. You can also opt in for a home remedy exfoliants. Like, DIYs are also very, very good. Because we don't spend money on them does not mean they are not working. When exfoliating your skin and you don't have money, or you want to exfoliate your face, you don't have money. Our face do not need too much, because that's how you exfoliate is going to be looking worn out, which is why you need to take it gently. Getting that off the way, the third thing you need to do is pick a cleanser and a toner. If you don't have money to get cleanser different from a toner, there are toners that contains cleansers. There are cleansers that has toners. Like, there are 2-in-1 type of cleansers that you can actually use. This would also help to tone and cleanse your face. When cleansing your face, you have to be gentle about it, because when it comes to skincare, less is more. You don't need to do too much, because if you do too much, reverse might definitely be the case. So you have to, or you want to be very careful when exfoliating or when cleansing your face. Okay, there are so many like bulks and tons of toners and cleansers that are very affordable. When I talk about cleansers and toners, does not mean I would say you should go and break the bank. Go for the one that your pocket can actually afford. Now, I know a lot of people would say, can you recommend? If you want me to recommend any of this product, let me know down in the comment section. I'm going to film a video. Like I said, I don't want this one to be lengthy. Okay, yeah. Pick a toner and a cleanser that works for your skin type as well as your skin concern. Remember, you have to first of all know your skin type and your skin concern before going on ahead to pick all of these products. The first thing you want to start doing is serums. There are two types of serum. There are PM serums and there are AM serum. PM serum is basically those kind of serums that you use during the day, and then your AM serums are serums you use during the night time. Again, if you don't have money to go for two separate serums, go for vitamin C serums. Now, what serums does is they help plump your face, they help to smoothen out your face, they help calm your face, they help to eradicate fine lines and wrinkles. They also help to glow your face, they brighten your face as well. Now, money to go for the AM and PM serum, opt in for vitamin C serums. Vitamin E serums are serums that you can use both morning and night. Make sure you're using a serum because there are so many vitamin C serums out there that would trigger some sort of reaction if your face is not used to a certain type of vitamin C, because there are different types of vitamin C. So you want to be sure to go for vitamin C that targets your skin concerns and your skin type. You would see on the bottle or where it is written that it is meant for so skin type, and then you will see the ingredients that are written on it, like the ingredients that were also infused in this vitamin C. If they align with what you're going through or your skin concern, if I just pick vitamin C serum that has hyaluronic acid, because this will help hydrate your skin, and then vitamin C will help brighten your skin. Hyaluronic acid hydrates the skin, smoothen out the skin and plump your face. Then vitamin C helps to brighten up your face and remove dark spots. That is what it basically does. Next thing you need to start doing again is washing your face morning and night. The fact that you did this thing in the morning does not stop you from doing it in the night. You need to wash your face with clean water, most time lukewarm water. If you go out under the sun and you come back, maybe it is very hot, you need to use like cold water to cold press your face, or ice to cold press your face. This would just help calm the the heat that your face might be going through at that point in time. I don't know if that makes any sense, but try as much as you can to study the weather, study like the day, to know what weather works best for you. Like, I don't know if that makes any sense. If it's sunny, you know what to do when maybe after a long day. If it's raining, you don't need to do too much because the weather is already cold. That's what I'm trying to say. Because if you follow these steps religiously, I promise you, this may sound like a cliche, or it may sound like a joke, but truth is, these are the things I actually have started doing differently that has helped me, even though I'm not using expensive facials, or I'm not using expensive skincare products. So I'm just sharing it for those who might be interested, because I'm sure it's not everybody that want to try this out. Okay, but try as much as you can to cleanse your face morning and night. Steam your face once weekly with you can add your tea tree oil as well as your green tea into your water and steam your face with it. This would help make your face creams work effectively, because you cannot just go and buy face cream and you come and start using and you expect it to work for you when you're not doing the needful. That's why I always say your skincare routine before and after your facial cream plays a huge role. So things you need to do behind the scene for your face creams to work effectively, for people to start asking what you're using. So when you tell them what you're using, they will be amazed, but they will not know that these are the things you secretly do on your own just to enable these face creams. Okay, now the last but not the least here that a lot of people tend to overlook, I don't know if my subscribers are still overlooking this, is sunscreen. Pick a sunscreen that you can afford, that does not leave white cast. Any good sunscreen that you can afford. You don't necessarily need to settle for the expensive ones. You can start with any one that your pocket can afford at the time and settle for that. Try as much as you can to wear a sunscreen no matter what happens. Wear a sunscreen no matter what face cream it is you're using. Wear a sunscreen, be it lightening, brightening, or whitening face cream. You need to use a sunscreen. Some people just feel, oh, because I'm not fair skin, or because I'm not using whitening product, I don't need sunscreen. It's a lie. Whether or not you're dark skin, you need to, or whether or not you're light skin, you need to use sunscreen, because sunscreen do not just help protect you from having sunburn or dark under icicle. They also help protect you from the harmful UV ray of the sun, because there's what the sun releases on our skin that makes our skin or our face look wrinkled or even like worn out, sometimes looking so tired when you're back from a long day. So you need to use sunscreen. This will serve as a defense mechanism to the sun, if that makes any sense. Okay, so yeah, I hope this video was helpful, because I'm going to obviously end it right here so you guys will not say it's too lengthy. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any product you want to get from me, let me know down in the comment section and we'll talk business. Okay, see you guys in my next one very soon. Bye.